Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can download and install DirectX 12. So the easiest way is just update your Windows. Here with the latest Windows update, you will get DirectX 12. And then you can just write run and write dx here and then press yes and wait for a couple of seconds. And then you should see that you should have DirectX version 12. If for some reason it's not working, then I will leave the link in the video description below, and then you just need to go to this website here and make sure it's on GB website, not US, because when you download on US, basically, I don't know why, but it downloads a wrong file. So what you need to do next is to just refresh this. This website will be in the video description, and then you just need to press download and save it to whenever you like. And then open folder, setup. Press accept, then make sure to do not choose this. Press next and wait until installation process is done. So this will be the first part. Then you need to press finish, and your basically DirectX 12 should be installed. Maybe you need to complete more steps, but nevertheless, you just need to press a few buttons on the same setup. And then you just need to press next. And yeah, that's basically what you need to do here. So if I help you out, please press like.